fill in the blanks. The number 17 has blank 10 and blank 1s. Let's use these 17 sailboats to find out how many 10s and 1s we have in the number 17. Let's start with our first row. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 sailboats in our first row. Let's count our second row. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 sailboats in our second row. We have one group of 10s, so I'm going to put a 1 in our 10s place. Then we don't have enough for a second group of 10, but we have 7 single sailboats. So I'm going to put our 7 in our 1s place. That's our number 17. 17 has 1 10 and 7 1s.